Hello, friends! I'm back with another fun story. It was Christmas Eve in the North Pole, and the air was filled with excitement and the sweet scent of gingerbread and peppermint. The elves were bustling around, putting finishing touches on toys and wrapping presents. But there was one thing missing: the famous Christmas cookies. Every year, Santa's sleigh was powered by a special batch of cookies made by Mrs. Claus, and this year they were nowhere to be found. The elves were in a panic. Who could have taken the cookies? Wondered Tinsel, the smallest elf with the brightest red hat. He had a mischievous glint in his eyes as he glanced around the workshop. Just then, a giggling voice came from behind the toy train set. "Maybe it was me!" shouted Chip, the cheeky reindeer who loved sweets more than flying. He popped out, covered in crumbs, with icing on his nose. "Chip!" exclaimed Tinsel. "Did you eat all the cookies?" The reindeer's eyes widened. "Not all of them, just a few," he said, grinning sheepishly. Just as everyone started to laugh, Mrs. Claus appeared with a plate of fresh cookies in her hands. "What's all the commotion about?" she asked, raising an eyebrow. Tinsel quickly whispered to Chip, and the two of them shouted together, "It's a Christmas cookie mystery, Mrs. Claus." Mrs. Claus chuckled, handing out the cookies to everyone. "Looks like we solved it. A little fun and mischief is just what the North Pole needs." The elves and Chip joined in, sharing cookies, stories, and laughter until it was time for Santa to leave. That night, Santa's sleigh soared over the snowy landscape, powered by the magic of cookies and the joy of friendship. And from that Christmas on, the Great Christmas Cookie Caper became a favorite story at the North Pole, reminding everyone that sometimes the best memories come from a little mischief and a lot of laughter. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories.